Good morning, boys and girls. This is the 180 Days of Reading passage for week 18. This is day 1. It says, Rachel searched through her closet for her favorite pair of jeans. Then she remembered that she had spilled some ketchup on them 2 days ago. They hadn't been washed yet, and Rachel wanted to wear them the next day. She flopped moodily onto her bed, wondering what else she could wear. Just then, her older brother, Alan, paused as he passed her door. "What's the matter?" he asked. "My favorite pair of jeans is dirty, and I want to wear them tomorrow." "It's annoying," Rachel said. "Maybe I can help. If I teach you how to do laundry, you can wash your jeans today, and they'll be ready for tomorrow," Alan said. "It's not hard." "Thanks, Alan," Rachel said. Laundry room, here we come. Number 1. What is the setting? What is the setting of this story? Is it A, school, B, a restaurant, C, a house, or D, several different locations? What is the setting? Number 2, what is the character's problem? What is the character's problem? Is it A, ketchup, B, not being able to wear something, C, the loss of her pet turtle, or D, an injured leg? What is the character's problem? Number 3, which is the suffix in moodily? Is it A, ODD, B, MODD, C, DILY, or D, LY? What is the suffix in moodily? Number 4, another word for annoying is it A, frightening, B, irritating, C, joyful, or D, sorry? Another word for annoying is. Number 5, laundry room, here we come, indicates that Rachel is blank about learning to do laundry. That she is A, enthusiastic, B, upset, C, surprised, or D, scared. Laundry room, here we come, indicates that Rachel is blank about learning to do laundry. That's all for day 1.